I like to use threaded inserts to create sturdy knockdown joints in my furniture projects. They also come in handy for creating shop jigs and accessories. Now the key thing when you're using threaded inserts is to install them so that they stay perfectly square to the surface that you're installing them in. Now most inserts have a slot across the top so that you can drive them in using a flat-bladed screwdriver. However, I've found that this method, it's almost impossible to drive them in square, and the driver tends to mar the surface of the insert. The solution is to make yourself a threaded insert installation jig like this one. And what's nice about this is that the insert gets threaded on the bottom end of a spring-loaded hex bolt. That hex bolt is installed in a wood block that does the work of keeping the insert square to your surface. The spring on the bottom provides just enough downward pressure to make it easy to start the insert. That means all I need to do is concentrate on driving it into place, which I can do with a socket. Once the insert is flush, I'll use an adjustable wrench to release a stop nut on the bottom, and I can thread the jig back out. Now I've set up this jig to install 1/4-inch threaded inserts, which I use quite a bit. However, you can use the other end of the block to install other size of inserts. So what you'll need to do is cut a notch on the end of the block to create clearance for installing the insert. Then you'll drill a counterbore through hole. That through hole, or the counterbore, accepts a plastic spacer that you can slip right into place. Then I'll fit the hex bolt in, and then I'm going to add the spring. The stop nut goes on, followed by a washer, and then I'm ready to add the insert. So for the cost of a few bits of hardware, what you end up with is a precision installation jig that you'll find comes in handy all the time.